I am in Giant City State Park. It has rained considerably here the last couple of days, and I wanted to come down and I wanted to see how green it had gotten. I wanted to see how much water was in the little flow of the creeks. Look at it, it's coming down off of there. Just some of it is just in drips, a little trickle. And come and visit one of my favorite spots here in southern Illinois. Look at that beautiful green. It looks like a carpet. It's moss, of course. It's just popping alive. And some of the treetops, you can see the buds up in them. A little bit breezy. And I want to take a moment and say thank you for watching my video. And I hope y'all have a great day.